The MCC fixture is our marquee fixture of the season, our premier fixture. It's prestigious, it's got great tradition. The MCC, the oldest cricket club of all time, and the governor of the game, if you like, and still responsible for rules and new rules or laws in the game. So a very, very important institution indeed, and it's just an absolute pleasure to welcome them here today to Seaford. We've vamped up the game this year. It's back to a full day fixture, so we have a sit down lunch and then tea later on, and then hopefully a little gathering afterwards. But yeah, I think it's been a great success so far. I currently coach the under-15s. It's something I've done for the last couple of years. At some stage in their career at Seaford, I've coached every single one of them, so even some of them since the prep school, which is really nice to see now. They're seniors and they're bigger than me, bowling much quicker than me. So yeah, it's good to see them come that far. Since they've been, growing through the school, it's been good because all of the guys have played with the ethos we want, which is effort, enthusiasm. So that's part of our sporting ethos. So today I'm playing against them as an MCC member. So it'll be, I'll give it my all today, even though it means that I'm on the other side. I'm against the other team. So the boys will understand, obviously. I'm a bowler, opening bowler, so I won't be doing much just yet. But later on, I'll open the bowling. Hopefully, they won't hit me all around the park.
Obviously, it's a great privilege having the MCC here today. It's a great honour for a lot of the young boys out here. A lot of them want to experience cricket against men, so it's a good thing for them to come out and play, especially this long format of the game, which many of them won't have played before. So we've just fielded for 55 overs. It's probably the longest any of us has fielded for, and now we've got to go and chase down 200 odd to try and beat this MCC side. I think in terms of our fielding, we've great effort in terms of bowling. We didn't give away many extras today, and we kept them down to a good total, which is definitely chaseable. You can hear getting some runs already. And in terms of the season ahead, we've got a lot of fixtures coming up. We've got T20 on Thursday, and we've got some more 40-40 games coming up as well at the weekends. So if we get on to winning this one, it'll be a good kick-start for the season, especially as we've already won a few. So it'll be good to get some more wins under the belt.
So this year the team is shaping up really well. Their performances so far as a group have been the sum of all their parts. They've had to work very hard together as a group, and they put a lot of effort in. And we've had some very promising early results. One or two highlights. Hugo Gillespie, who's been in the side since year 9, is now in year 12. He spent the winter training with the Sussex Academy, and looks to be a fine cricketer, and certainly has the potential to go on and possibly play the game professionally. But also at the weekend against Caterham, we took 3 absolute blinding catches, and credit to the boys. They've worked very hard, and it's been a very enjoyable start to the term.
It's a great honour to be able to captain this side, as definitely it's been a team that I've developed growing up in. I came in here as quite a young player that didn't have much confidence, but then especially being in this team has helped over the years develop confidence, definitely my skill assets as well, and so I definitely want to make that the experience for the other young lads coming through the team, so that they have a good time. It's a good serious team, so we look to win games, but again we definitely take the light-hearted approach. So.